Welcome to Upstart Plus. In this video, I will show you how to appeal for a suspended page on Facebook. So recently this page was suspended. It says page has been suspended, and it means you cannot create or run ads. You cannot send messages on Messenger from your page. Automated responses won't be sent. Your ads that click to Messenger may not be delivered. So why this happened? The page or activity on it may impersonate someone well known or speak for them without permission. But I created this page and the page has got zero activity right now. And if you go to the page, you will see this message here as well. We suspended your page. This is because the page goes against their community standards. So this was a new page for a YouTube channel, but it was suspended. So how can we appeal it? First of all, you can see the notification by clicking notification icon. And then we have this message here at the top of page as well. We can click see details to see the full message. To request a review, we can press this button below, request review. And they also say that you have 179 days left to request a review. And also this page is not public anymore, but it is visible to me. So let's request a review. And here we get these options. Why do you want another review? Select the main reason. I can select from these options. The restriction is too harsh. You misunderstood this page. This page does not break the rules. Pages like mine should be allowed. Something else. I'll select this option and press continue. Something else. Now this will update you within a few days. Your case will be looked at again by our technology or a reviewer. We'll use the additional info you gave us to improve our system. We aim to respect your free expression while keeping the community safe. So let's submit. You'll hear back from us soon. Thanks for requesting review. Click done button, and that's it. And now you'll see in review badge in front of the message. So maybe this was an automated bot that flagged this page. So now it's in review. Meanwhile, we can update the details. Let's go to info and update the bio. This page for a YouTube gaming creator. Save. You might add more details here. And now we can wait for response from Facebook team, and hopefully this page will be restored. And this is the update. In like 1 or 2 minutes, they restored the page. Let's switch to that page. You can see the page is restored, fully restored now. So last message was this 1 hour ago, and then we appealed, and now page is restored. That's it. All you have to do is to just contact them and request a review, and probably add some details and point to the resource, that why you created this page and what is the purpose of this page. Maybe update the bio accordingly and request a review. So this is how you can request a review and get your page restored on Facebook. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.